If you want more referrals, then stop thinking about referrals as the end of the client journey and start building them in right from the get-go. In this video, I'll show you 3 onboarding trust builders that not only help clients stay longer, but actually drive repeat referrals naturally without any awkward asking. So here's what most firms miss. The client experience starts the moment they say yes, not after the invoice is paid. Now that's when trust is either built or broken. And if you lose momentum there, you don't just lose retention, you lose future referrals too. So let's fix that. Because great onboarding isn't paperwork, it's preparing your next referral. Here we go. Trust Builder 1, the confidence path. When people buy your service, they really actually are buying confidence. So give them a map, show them what happens next. Use a simple 30, 60, 90-day outline. What you do, what they do, what success looks like. When clients see structure, they relax. And relaxed clients become happy. And guess what? Happy clients become advocates. Trust Builder 2, early wins. The longer it takes for the client to feel progress, the faster trust fades. Find something small you can deliver quickly, a mini insight, a short audit, a summary report. It's not about scale, it's about signaling. You want them to think I made the right choice. That's one early win starts the internal story they'll be telling their peers, their friends later. Trust Builder 3, personal touch points. Referrals are emotional, not transactional. A handwritten note, a welcome message from you, not your CRM, or a 5-minute call just to say, how are you doing? How are you finding everything so far? These small human touches are the invisible glue that keeps trust strong. And the stronger the trust, the easier the referral later feels for them and for you. Now, don't forget to hit subscribe and set a reminder for more strategies like this every week on this channel. And if you want to create a predictable referral system for your business, check out the link below to learn more about the referral growth system, the simple, affordable way you can start generating quality leads that turn into referrals without any awkward asking. Speak soon.